Hello everyone to online classes of St. Joseph's Academy. Today I will teach you model test paper which is based on chapter 11 to 19 of class 3rd Social Studies. So let's start the model test paper. Our first exercise is multiple choice questions. For every question we have 3 options. We have to tick the correct one. How many Indian languages are recognized in our constitution? And the options are 23, 24 and 22. So 22 is the correct answer. Number 2, dash is the official language of our country. English, Hindi, Sanskrit. And Hindi is the correct answer because Hindi is the official language of our country. Who was also known as the Lokmanya? And the options are Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was given the Upadhi of Lokmanya by the people. Who composed our national song? And the options are Sri Aurobindo, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And the correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Number 5. Which planet is called the blue planet? Again we have 3 options: Mars, Venus and Earth. And the correct answer is Earth. Because of the presence of water on Earth, it looks blue when someone looks at it from the space. That's why it is given the name of blue planet. Number 6. The true model of the Earth is a map, sketch or globe. So globe is the true model of the Earth because it is 3D. Number 7. Diseases are caused due to fresh water, polluted water, lemon water. So correct answer is polluted water because fresh water and lemon water does not cause any kind of disease. Now second exercise is very short answer type questions. Our first question is define the term epic. And the answer is epic means a long poem taken from ancient oral tradition. For example, Ramayana and Mahabharata are world's greatest epics. Number 2, where are the Ajanta caves? So the Ajanta caves are in Maharashtra. Number 3, who was the first Prime Minister of India? And the answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Number 4, define the term planet. And the answer is the planets are solid heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Elliptical orbit means in a certain path. They move on a definite path. Question number 5. From where is the earth slightly bulging? And the answer is the earth is slightly bulging at the equator. Number 6. What is the shape of a globe? And the answer is a globe is round in shape. That's why it is called the true model of the earth because it's 3D. Number 7. Name the type of pollution. So there are 4 types of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Number 8. Who started the Chipko movement? So Sundarlal Bahuguna started the Chipko movement and he got many awards also for that. Answer the following questions briefly. What type of architecture does Delhi have? So Delhi have medieval style of architecture. Number 2. What was Gandhiji's contribution in India's independence? And the answer is Gandhiji followed non-violence and non-cooperation. His method of struggle was called Satyagrah And finally, India became independent on 15 August 1947 under his leadership, because he believed in simple living and high thinking, and he was the follower of ahimsa. So he always preached and followed non-violence and non-cooperation. Number 3, Holi is the festival of colors. How? So during Holi, people play with colored powder called gulal and colored water. That is why Holi is called the festival of colors. Number 4, what is satellite? Name the Earth's natural satellite. And the answer is, satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as the planets move around the sun. The Earth's natural satellite is Moon. Number 5. Name the cardinal and the intermediate directions. And the answer is, East, West, North and South are known as the cardinal directions. These are the 4 main directions, and in between lies Northeast, Northwest, Southeast and Southwest are the intermediate directions. In the blanks. One Mahotsav began in our country in 1950. Plateaus are shown in light brown color. The sun is at the center of the solar system. Pongal is mostly celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Our national flag is rectangular in shape. All these facts are well read and we have studied in earlier chapters also. Plateaus are shown in light brown color because maps have a language and a key which have a particular color to show a particular thing. For example, forests are shown in green, water is shown in blue color. In the same way, plateaus are shown in light brown color. So this is our today's homework. Write all the question answers in your SST copy and complete remaining exercises in your book. Learn and revise all the questions nicely and practice them carefully. So our video of model test paper ends here. We have studied all the exercises of MCQs, fill in the blanks, short answer questions and brief questions, long answers, everything. I have already told you the homework which you have to do. Read the chapter again, go through the question answers and exercises again, revise them nicely. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.